Hello friends! Today we are making spicy beef stir fry noodles. Take 2 pounds of thin cut beef strips and add 1 teaspoon each of salt, pepper, red chili flakes, and garlic powder. Add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, a teaspoon of rice vinegar, and mix everything really well and set it aside for about 1 hour. And remember, if you do not want to use beef, you can always substitute with chicken or even shrimp. Now we are going to start chopping up our vegetables. Today I am using 3 carrots, 3 bell peppers of different colors, 1 onion, and about 10 to 15 mushrooms. If you want some extra heat, you can add some green chilies chopped up, and I'm also going to be using some frozen broccoli that I have thawed out. Now let's make the sauce. We will need a 1/4 cup of soy sauce, about 2 tablespoons of sriracha, a 1/4 cup of sambal chili paste, 1/2 cup of water, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and a teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 tablespoon of red chili flakes. If you want, you can also add some salt to taste, but do keep in mind that the soy sauce already has salt. You will need 16 ounces of noodles of your choice. I prefer udon noodles or chow mein noodles, but I had thin spaghetti sitting in my pantry and I wanted to use that up, and I'm just going to prepare the noodles based on the instructions on the packet. Now we are going to heat up some oil in a deep wok. To this, you are going to add your marinated beef, and on high heat, you want to stir fry it for about 10 to 15 minutes or until it is completely tender. Try to use a tender cut of meat like flank steak because it cooks up pretty fast. Once our meat is nice and tender, we are going to start adding the vegetables. We will start with the carrots. After stir frying this for about a minute, we are going to add the mushrooms and stir fry them for another minute. Next, we are going to add our onions and our bell peppers and stir fry for about another minute. Now I'm just going to add my broccoli, and at this point you would want to add whatever other vegetables you are planning to add into your beef stir fry. Give it a quick mix and add in your noodles. Now add in that sauce that we just mixed up. And let's start tossing everything around until it's nicely mixed up. And there you go. These delicious spicy beef stir fry noodles are ready to be devoured. This is such a great recipe when you want to clean out the fridge and use up all the extra vegetables you have sitting in there. So do try it out and let me know how you liked this video, and stay tuned for more recipes. I'm gonna enjoy my plate of noodles. I'll see you next time. Bye.